Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and look who I have here with me.
Hai semua.
It's Hazli. So some of you might recognize him from my previous workout video. So Hazli, are we excited?
Yes, dan Joanna terima kasih kerana menjemput saya datang ke channel kamu.
So you might be wondering what language is he speaking in, right Haz?
Apa bahasa saya?
Hazli is speaking in Malay. That's because we just launched our new YouTube channel called Sehat Sotmo, okay? So the channel is based on our own mother tongue in Malay language, so be sure to check out the channel and subscribe to our channel.
Yep.
Hazli, what will we be doing today?
Okey, sebab sekarang ramai kita sentiasa berada di rumah kan kerana keadaan pandemik yang kita mengalami sekarang ni. So, kebanyakannya masa kita tak ada aktiviti lain, apa kita buat?
Eat. Snack away, correct? When you're bored doing nothing at home, what would you do? Reach for a snack and start eating.
Betul tu, itu yang bahaya tu. Kalau kita di rumah selalu, kita akan kuat makan. Tapi masalahnya kita akan suka makan makanan ringan yang kurang berkhasiat.
Yep, that's right. I'm sure most of you have been snacking on lots of junks and some of you have even messaged us telling us that you have gained a lot of weight. So today, we want to share with you 3 of our favorite healthy snack recipes which you can make at home and not feel guilty when you snack away. The first recipe is my favorite, banana oat muffins.
Dan diikuti dengan sejenis minuman yang saya akan buat iaitu coklat gelap smoothie.
And the final recipe, look at this, chia pudding topped with lots of nuts and fruits. So all these recipes are really simple. You only need about 5 to 8 ingredients for each recipe.
Ya, dan Joanna, tak perlu kebolehan dan kemahiran masak yang tinggi kan?
Nope, you don't need to know how to cook because literally all you need to do is put them all together, bake them, or leave them to chill in the fridge. That simple.
Betul.
For the banana oat muffin, you'll need 1.5 cups of oats, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 2 to 3 bananas, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup of crushed walnuts, about 2 tablespoons of cranberries, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That's simple. So we want to start by blending the rolled oats. Blend it until it's fine and flour-like. In a small bowl, mix together the oats as well as the baking soda. Set it aside. In a large bowl, mash the bananas. Then mix in 2 eggs and beat until they are even. Next, stir in the Greek yogurt and mix well. Now stir in the oat mixture. If you want it to be sweeter, you can choose to mix in a little bit of honey or maple syrup. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Finally, stir in the dried cranberries and also walnuts. Continue to mix until you have a consistent batter. Now let's transfer the batter evenly into 8 muffin cups. Top it up with some walnuts. Bake it in the oven for about 15 minutes or until the muffins are fully cooked through. Now allow them to cool down before removing them from the cups. Look at this, Hazli. Look at that. It's so simple, only 8 ingredients and it's so flavorful and delicious.
Yang penting, dia juga lebih sihat.
Yes, and I'm going to try this, okay?
Tak adil, Joanna cuba. Saya?
Try it. I really like the natural sweetness from the bananas and I really like the texture. It's firm, but yet it's still moist inside. Is it delicious?
Sebab dia tak terlalu manis. Sebab manis dia tu datang macam Joanna cakap daripada buah tu sendiri.
And at the same time, you get the crunchy texture from the walnuts as well. So this is my favorite snack recipe and I make them very often. Some of you might have seen it on my Instagram. I make this very often. I like to have it either at home or sometimes I will bring it out with me and have it as my post-workout snack as well.
Kalau makan ni dengan teh panas, kopi panas lagi. Betul. Kalau kamu dapat hidu tadi masa Joanna masukkan dalam oven, bau dia tu you tak sabar tau.
That's right. You can also serve this with tea or coffee. So be sure to try this recipe out, okay? So Hazli, I am so excited for your next recipe. Can you share more with us?
Okay. So, Joanna telah membuat makanan. Sekarang giliran saya pula. Saya akan kongsikan cara untuk membuat sejenis smoothie yang sihat yang tidak memerlukan banyak kerja pun. Okay, so ini adalah smoothie coklat gelap yang kamu boleh buat di rumah.
Hazli, what ingredients will we need to make this awesome smoothie?
Joanna, you guna 8 bahan, saya pun guna 8 bahan sahaja. Okay, ini adalah bahan-bahannya. 4 hingga 5 biji strawberry, 10 hingga 15 biji blueberry, 2 sudu makan yogurt, 1 camca serbuk coklat gelap, 1 biji pisang, 150 ml susu kacang soya, 1 sudu makan bijian chia.
So Haz, how simple is this recipe?
Sangat mudah Joanna. So tadi bahan-bahannya yang kita perlukan, tapi cara penyediaan dia, you nak tahu tak? Ini paling saya suka. Ambil blender, campak semua ke dalam, tekan butang, dah siap dah.
Wow, so just throw everything in and blend it?
Yes, because saya ni seorang pemalas Joanna. So saya suka benda yang mudah, cepat, tetapi masih juga berkhasiat dan baik untuk kamu. Pertama sekali, kita masukkan ais ke dalam blender dan diikuti dengan bahan-bahan lain yang telah saya sebutkan tadi. Tutup blender, tekan butang dan kisar sehingga ais itu hancur. Setelah bahan-bahan semua terkisar, ais pun telah terkisar, bukalah penutup blender itu, tuangkan smoothie ke dalam gelas dan anda sudah boleh menikmati smoothie yang sihat ini.
Here you have it. So simple. Smells good.
Yep.
I like the chocolate texture. And of course, I'm going to try it.
Okay, Joanna cuba dulu.
This is so good. And this is even perfect as a quick breakfast and even as a post-workout meal, isn't it?
Betul tu Joanna, dan minuman ini juga kaya dengan antioksidan.
It's delicious. You have to try it.
Okay Joanna, apa ni? Wah, warna-warni, nampak sungguh mengelerakan.
This is actually my favorite dessert, okay? And this dessert is healthy. It's Chia Pudding topped with any favorite fruits of your choice or even dried nuts and fruits. And again, really simple. Guess how many ingredients do we need?
Berapa Joanna?
Only 5 ingredients. Yup, that's right.
Wow, kalah yang semua ni. Ini 8, ni 8, ni 5 bahan saja.
Yes, so to make the base of this Chia Pudding, you'll need 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup or honey, 1 banana, and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Again, the steps are really simple. I think you guys know by now that we like to keep our ingredients really simple and healthy. So in a bowl, mash the banana. Then mix in the rest of the ingredients. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Then transfer the mixture into 2 cups. Set it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes until the chia pudding is firm. Then top it up with any fruits and nuts of your choice. I'm adding a little bit of fresh blueberries with cranberries as well as almonds. It is that simple.
Wow, Joanna, mudah. Jadi kalau orang cakap nak buat makanan ringan yang sihat ni susah, nampak tak? Sangat senang. Boleh tak saya cuba Joanna?
Yes, you can. Here you go.
Saya tak sabar.
Yeah, so what I really like about this is that it's a really healthy dessert which you can make it for your family members and you can even make it for a party. So people can have this without feeling guilty because it's all made with super food and real ingredients. Is it good?
Sangat-sangat sedap. Okay, dia ada rasa mentega kacang tu kan?
Yes, the peanut butter. I love the nutty taste in it and I love the banana taste in it as well. And the great thing about chia pudding is that you can choose any other ingredients of your choice and make lots of different versions so you will not get bored.
Dan bijian chia ni, untuk pengetahuan anda semua, kaya dengan serat dan juga lemak yang bagus.
Yes, which means it is very good for your digestion. So having chia regularly will help with your digestion as well.
Sedap Joanna, sedap.
Sedap? So these are 3 really simple healthy snacks which you should try at home.
Yap, kami mengharap agar kamu janganlah makan sewenang-wenangnya di rumah, jagalah kesihatan dan cubalah menyediakan makanan ringan yang amat mudah disediakan ini.
So aim to consume more whole foods that would be good for your body, okay? And you won't feel so guilty afterwards. Try all these recipes out. Let us know in the comment section below how you like them. And don't forget to share your pictures. Tag us at Joannasa Official and at Hazli Bojili. And also follow our new channel.
Yap, jangan lupa ikuti channel YouTube baru kami berdua dalam bahasa Melayu, Sihat Sokmo, dan juga IG kami at sihatsokmo.tv.
That's right. Go and check it out, okay? And don't forget to also hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet done it. Check out a lot more workout videos, fitness tips, and also more healthy recipes on my YouTube channel. And thank you so much, Hazli.
Terima kasih Joanna kerana menjemput saya ke channel kamu yang agung ini.
I hope everybody had fun. We will see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!